some milk. Add sugar by your taste. Now add some milk powder in it. Boil it on medium flame for 7 to 8 minutes. Make sure to stir it continuously so that it doesn't burn. Now turn off the heat. Stir it continuously when it's cooling down. Change your bowl and keep it in refrigerator for an hour. Now add 3 cups water. Boil it up. Now add sago in it. Stir it occasionally. Stir it on medium heat until it's transparent. It may take around 10 minutes. Now strain it. Rinse it under cold water to stop further cooking, and it will also remove excess starch. Now let it cool. Now add some basil seeds in water. Mix it and let it soak for 10 minutes. Take out milk from refrigerator after an hour. Now add sago and soaked basil seeds. Add vanilla essence. Mix it well. Add sliced cashew nuts, almond, pistachio, green grapes, black grapes, strawberry, mango, red cherry, banana, apple. Now mix them well. Now it's ready for you to enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching. See you next time.